Recording in progress.
Morning guys, all are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm in chat box. Thanks for confirmation. So in last session, we discussed a few commands in Linux, which are head command, tail command, WC command, head tag command, head ls command, and we have seen multiple options with ls command. And all these things we discussed in last session, guys. Okay. So today we will try to understand few more commands in the Linux. Okay, and in last session we have seen how to create the files using cat command and how to print the data using cat command and how to create the empty files using touch command also we discussed in last session, guys. Fine. So today we are going to discuss very important command that is called grep command, guys. So which we will use frequently, guys. In real time also we will use this grep command frequently, guys. Grep is very important, guys. Regularly we will use this grep command in the company's case. Fine. So now tell me, what is grep stands for? What is grep stands for, guys? We are going to understand this grep command. Grep. And what is this grep stands for, guys? Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Point. Global Regular Expression Point, guys. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Point. Okay, so by using this grep command, what we can do, we can find the data inside the file. We can search for the data by using grep command. We can search for the data. So generally, in our Windows machine, if you want to search for the data, what you will do, guys? Here we have user interface, guys. For everything, we have user interface facility. So you will go to the D drive. In D drive, I have some folders, guys, like DevOps 13, DevOps AWS 13. Here we have some files. And you will go to this file, and here you will do Control F, and you will search for some data, guys. So in Windows, we have this user interface facility, but in Linux, we don't have this facility, guys. Then how you will search for the data? If you don't have user interface, then how you will search for the data in Linux? For that, we are going to use grep command, guys. By using grep command, we can search for the data in the Linux. Okay, so we'll see how you will search for the data using grep command in Linux, guys. Okay, so what is grep stands for, guys? Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Point. By using grep command, we can find the data in Linux. Right, by using grep command, we can find the data. We can find the data in Linux, guys. We can find, guys. We can find the data in Linux system, guys. Okay, so how you will use this grep command? What is the syntax of this grep command, guys? I want to use this grep command. What is the syntax, guys? See, guys, now here grep. See, guys, like this we need to use. If you want to use this grep command, and we need to use grep, and for which word you want to search, that word we need to give, guys. That word we need to give. Here I want to search for the word AWS. AWS, guys. Where, in which file you want to search for AWS? I want to search in f4.txt. f4.txt file, guys. See, guys, like this we need to give. Right? What is the syntax of grep command? Grep, and here word you need to provide. Word you need to provide for which word you are searching. So that word you need to give, and you need to provide the file name here. In which file you want to search, that file name you need to provide it here. So this is the syntax of the grep command, guys. I want to search for particular word in particular file, guys. Okay, so now let me try for this case. Here we have connected with our Linux machine. Right, we have connected with Linux. We have started, guys. Let me connect with this Linux machine. Open git bash. I'm using git bash to connect with Linux machine. Okay, so now here copy this command, ssh command, copy ssh command. Copy this, paste that ssh command here, enter. Okay, now we have connected to our Linux server. Here we are going to practice. So yesterday's session we have created some files, right? ls-l. Here you can see all the files, guys. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, DevOps folder. All these files we have created. So now in f4.txt file we have, right, AWS, guys. We have AWS in f4.txt file. Let me check it is there or not. And how you can check? Cat at f4.txt. What this cat command will do? Cat command will print the data which is available inside the file. Cat command will print the data which is available in f4.txt file. Enter. See, guys, this is the data which we have in f4.txt file. Okay, so now I want to search for the word AWS. AWS is available or not in f4.txt? Yes, it is available. So now I want to search. I don't know whether it is there or not there. I don't know. I want to search. By using which command you can search? By using grep command we can search. How you will use that grep command? Grep space. I want to search for what? AWS, right? AWS. Right now here file name f4.txt. f4.txt. Enter. See, guys, is it showing or not? It is showing or not, guys? It is showing, guys. See, here in red color it is showing that AWS. Okay, I want search for the word commit. I want search for the word commit, guys. So now here commit I am giving. Commit I am giving, guys. Enter. See, guys, here what it will do, guys? If you search for the word, it will give complete line, guys. In which line that word is present, that complete line it will give. But for what word you are searching, that word it will highlight, guys. In that line, for which word you have searched, that line it will highlight. See, guys, here I am searching for which word? Commit. Commit is available in which line, guys? See, in this line, code commit is available. So now it is printing complete line as code commit, and for which word you are searching, that word it is highlighting with a different color. See, guys, commit is highlighting. We are searching for the commit, but it will return complete line. It will return complete line at here. Okay. See, guys, observe carefully. Here I am giving commit like this. Here I am giving commit like this, case commit. Right, lowercase letter I have given. Case, right, case insensitive. Lowercase letter I have given, guys. Enter. See, guys, are you getting anything? No, we are not getting anything. Why? Grep is a case sensitive command. Grep is a case sensitive command. Here we have uppercase letter C, capital C we have, but here we are searching with small c, lowercase letter c. But in that file we have a commit with capital C, but we don't have the commit with the small letter, guys. That's why we are not getting anything. Grep is what? It is case sensitive command, guys. No, man, I won't ignore the case sensitive. I won't ignore the case sensitive. I don't want check whether it is uppercase or lowercase. If I give anything, whether uppercase or lowercase, it should come. So how it will come, guys? For that, what we need to do? Here, for that we need to ignore the case, guys. For that we need to ignore the case. How you will ignore the case? Very simple. See here, before the word, we will take hyphen I. Hyphen I stands for ignore. Hyphen I stands for ignore, guys. What it will do? It will ignore the case. It will ignore the case, guys. Enter. See, guys, now you are getting code commit. Now you are getting code commit, guys. See? Right? So like this, we can search for the word. I stands for what here? Hyphen I stands for ignore. By using grep command, we can search for the word in a file. Here for which word we are searching? We are searching for commit. In which file we are searching? In f4.txt. Okay. If you want ignore the case, then what you need to do? Hyphen I we need to use, guys. Guys, regularly we will use grep command, guys. Okay. In log files, we have the log files, guys. In the log files, if you want search for anything, then we will use this grep command only. Next, guys. Next, one more thing, guys. To search in all the files. Here, if you observe it here we have how many files are there? Here we have 6 to 7 files are available. Now I want to search for particular word in all these files. See, so let me go to the D drive, our Windows machine only. Our Windows machine only, guys. Here, if you want to search for any particular word inside the file, then what you will do? You will open that file and you will do Control F and you will search for the word. But here we have set of files. Multiple files are available. I want to search in all these files. I want search in all these files. Then what you will do? See, here we have the option, guys. Here we have the option to search in all the files. We will go right side, guys. See here. See, guys, here search is there. And here we have the option. And here we will go and here we will search for the particular word. It will search in all these files, guys. Right, in present working directory, whatever the files are available, in all the files, it will search, guys. Okay. And we have in Windows, we have wonderful UI facility. With that, we can search for anything. But what about in Linux? In Linux, we don't have UI facility. Okay. If you want to search for particular word, you can do like this by using grep command. Grep, right, that word and file name. But now in this present working directory, pwd, currently we are in this location. In this location, we have these many number of files. I want to search for the word in all these files. How we will do that? How we will do that? By using same grep command we will do, guys. Same by using grep command only, we can search for the word in multiple files. We can search for the word in all the files which are available in present working directory. In the present working directory, whatever the files are available, in all the files we can search for the word by using grep command. How you will do that? See, guys, grep, same, guys, grep. Right now here I am going to use the word AWS. Here I am taking hyphen I stands for ignore case, and here I am using AWS is the word, and I want to search in all the files which are available in the present working directory. Then here what we need to take? Here we need to take star, guys, means it will search in all the files which are available in the present working directory. Okay, enter. See, guys, where we have in the f4.txt we have AWS, and in the f5.txt file we have a sentence like hello, welcome to AWS sessions. In this we have AWS, and in the f5.txt one more time we have AWS, and in the f6.txt hello, welcome to AWS sessions are there. There also we have AWS. Total in four times AWS is available in the present working directory files, guys. So like this, we can search for the word in present working directory. In present working directory, how many files are available? In all those files, you can search by using this grep command. Okay, one more thing, guys. Okay, here we have created one folder DevOps, right? Here we have created one folder DevOps. Now, let me go inside the DevOps folder, CD DevOps. CD DevOps. Now, currently, I am in the DevOps. Now, inside the DevOps also, I will create one file. Here I will create one file cat, and here I am creating d1.txt. Inside DevOps is there, right? That's why just I am giving name d1, guys. d1.txt. inside this d1.txt, I'm going to write some data. And if you want to write the data inside the file by using cat command, then we need to use this greater than symbol. Right? If you want print the data, don't use any symbols, just cat space file name. But if you want to write the data inside the file, then cat greater than file name you need to give. Now here I am going to write some data. What I am going to write? Hello, hello, hello friends, hello friends. Right, welcome to Java with AWS sessions. Welcome to Java with AWS sessions I am taking. Why I am taking Java with AWS? Nowadays for Java people, AWS is mandatory, guys. Right? So AWS is mandatory for Java people also nowadays. So that's why here just I have given, hello friends, welcome to Java with AWS sessions. Okay. Now, how you can save the data and come out from the file? By pressing Ctrl C. By pressing Ctrl C, we can save the data and we can come out from the file. Okay. So now here you can see here what file is available. d1.txt file is available. Inside the d1.txt, what data is available? You can see like this, cat d1.txt. d1.txt. It will print this data. This is what we have inside d1.txt. Perfect. Perfect. Now come out from the DevOps folder, cd space ... Right? You came out from the DevOps folder. Okay. Now I want to search for the word which is available. Right. So, right. See guys, here we have the present working directory. Right? In the present working directory, we have some folders, guys. DevOps folder. Inside the DevOps also, we have some files, guys. Now I want to search for a word in all the files which are available in the present working directory, and inside the folders also, inside the folder subfolders also, we have some files there also. I need to search, guys. Okay. Right. What does it mean, guys? I want to search in all the files, and inside the DevOps, some files also is there. So there also I need to search for the word. How you will do that? How you will do that, guys? I mean, recursively I want to search. Recursively I want to search, guys. For that, what we will do? Recursively I want to search for particular word, guys. For that, same grep command. -r. -r stands for recursive. Recursively I want to search, and I won't ignore the case. For which word? For AWS. For AWS, guys. Observe carefully, guys. Recursively I want to search in the present working directory and subdirectories everywhere. Everywhere I want to search for the word AWS. Enter. See, guys, how many places? See, guys, everywhere it will search, guys. So these are the some of the inbuilt files, guys. We haven't created this, guys. Some of the inbuilt files. See, guys, here you are getting. Okay, so see here, right? You are getting files. Let me check only files, guys. F4 we have the AWS. In F5 we have the AWS. In F5 again we have AWS. In F6 we have AWS. In the DevOps folder we have created a file d1.txt. There also we have the AWS, guys. Java with AWS, like this. If you use capital R, capital R, it will search recursively, guys. Right? In the folders and subfolders and subfolders. Recursively, it will search for that word in all the files, guys. Okay. Is this clear, guys? What is grep command is clear? What is the purpose of grep command is clear? Very good. Yes. I will show one right here. Let me first let me add all these things in our notes. Right? By using grep command, what we are doing? By using grep command, we can find the data in Linux file, guys. We can find the data in the file, guys. Find the data in the file. Don't take Linux, in the file, guys. Okay, so this is the syntax which we need to word. Right, now one more thing. Grep command is case sensitive command. Grep command is case sensitive command, guys. Okay, to ignore the case sensitive, what we need to do? To ignore the case sensitive, what we need to do, guys? Like this. Here we need to write like this, guys. Let's see here. Grep hyphen I we need to use, guys. And here for which word you are searching that word, and here you need to give the file name like this. Here hyphen I stands for what, guys? Hyphen I stands for ignore case. Ignore case, guys. Here let me add that note point also, guys. Note it. Hyphen I stands for ignore case. Ignore case, guys. Hyphen I stands for ignore case. Okay. Next, guys. To search in all the files. To search in all the files. To search in all the files which are available in present working directory. In present working directory. See, guys, observe carefully. I want to search in all the files, guys, which are available in present working directory, guys. For this, what we need to do? See, guys, for this we need to use star, guys. See here, dollar, right? Grep command. Let's see here. We are going to use hyphen I for ignoring the case, and here what we need to give, and here just we need to take the star. Instead of file name, we need to take the star. If you give star, it will search for the word in all the files which are available in the present working directory. Okay. So to search in present working directory and subdirectories, guys. Right. I want to search in present working directory and subdirectories also, guys. Right. To search in present working directory and subdirectories guys. For this, what we need to do? Dollar, right? Grep command, right? Dollar grep command, right? Hyphen I is as usual to ignore the case, guys. Hyphen I we are using, and here we need to use hyphen R for recursive searching for this word. So like this we need to give. Here hyphen R stands for what, guys? Recursive. Here hyphen R stands for note. Right? Hyphen R stands for recursive. Recursive, guys. Hyphen R stands for recursive, guys. Observe carefully, guys. Read the statements once. All these statements, please read it once. Grep is a very important command, guys. Grep is very important command. Please check it once. Please read it, all these commands. Grep is one of the most important concept which we will use regularly, guys. In the real time, grep command we will use frequently. Right. So in the real time, where we will use this grep command frequently, guys. Just I told, right? Grep we will use frequently. Where we will use in real time, guys. Guys, once again I'm repeating. Observe carefully. Grep stands for global regular expression point. By using grep command, what we can do? We can search for the word in a file. If you go to the Windows machine, in Windows machine, we have the user interface. See, open this file, guys. and here if you want to search for the word sterile continuous, here control F, and here you can search guys, control F, and here you can give the word guys for which word you are searching. See here continuous, for this word I am searching, enter. See, you will get that word at here. Okay, in Windows we have this user interface to search for the word in a file, but coming to Linux, in Linux we don't have this facility. Then how you can search for the particular word in the Linux file system? If you don't have this facility, how you will search for the word in the Linux guys? By using grep command only we will search in the Linux. Okay, now observe carefully guys. So now observe carefully here. See? Right. So by using grep command, we can find the word in the file guys. How you will find? This is the syntax which we need to use. Grep, for which word you are searching, that word we need to take in the quotes, and here we need to give the file name. In which file you want to search, that file name we need to provide. I want to search for the AWS word. Then grep AWS and file name f4.txt. Next guys, right here I told grep is the case sensitive command. Just now we have seen practicals. Grep is the case sensitive command. Oh, I want to ignore the case. I don't want to check case guys. So then here what we need to do, -i we need to use. -i stands for ignore case. -i stands for ignore case. -i, right, which word you are searching, that word and file name you need to provide. Here -i is nothing but what? Ignore case. -i is nothing but ignore case guys. Okay, and here by using this we are searching for the word only in the particular file. Okay, but in my present working directory I have so many files. See, all these are the files are available in present working directory. This is Windows guys. And in all these files, if you want search for the particular word, then what you will do? You are not required to open the file. Here we have the facility search option is there. If you go to here, and here you can search for the word. Here you can search for the word guys. See here Jenkins. I am using Jenkins. Now it will search where Jenkins is available in all the files. It will search and it is available. It will print that guys. Okay, right now here in Linux, how you will do that? In Linux, I want search for the word in all the files which are available in the present working directory. In Linux, I want search for the word in all the files which are available in the present working directory. For that, what we need to do? -i stands for ignore case, for which word you are searching that word, and here instead of giving the file name, just we need to give star. Just we need to give the asterisk symbol guys. Then it will search for that word in all the files which are available in the present working directory. Okay, next guys, I want search for the word in the directories and subdirectories also. I want search for the word in the directories and subdirectories also recursively. Then what we need to do? Here grep -r. What is -r stands for? Recursive. -r stands for recursive. Recursively, I want search for the word in directories and subdirectories. Then you no need to specify the file name. You no need to specify the star and all guys. You right. So this grep command know currently where you are in. So it will search in the directories and subdirectories also when you have used this -r guys. -r stands for what? Recursive. Recursive guys. Okay. Is it clear guys? Right. So now where we will use this grep command frequently in real time guys. Okay guys. In my Linux machine, some processes are running. In my Linux machine, some processes are running guys. How you can get the processes which are running in your Linux machine guys? I don't know the names of the processes. Some processes are running in my Linux machine. See guys, in our Windows machine, if you go to here, in our Windows machine, see guys, here, and here if you go to here, and if you click on the task manager, here you can see the processes which are running in your Windows machine. See, processes. Here you can see all the processes which are running in your Windows machine guys. See, notepads are there, right? Microsoft Excel is there, Microsoft Edge is running, Google Chrome is running. So like that, several processes are running in my Windows machine. Notepad, right? Notepad plus, OBS Studio, task manager open, right? Windows Explorer, Zoom is open, like this. These many number of processors are running in your Windows machine. What about Linux? In Linux, we don't have this UI facility. Then how you will know what processes are running in the Linux machine? Currently, we have connected to the Linux machine. So this is our Linux machine. In this Linux machine, which processes are running? How you will know that? What command we need to use to know the processes which are running in our Linux machine? Guys, in our class, so many people are there who knows Linux very well. Can anyone tell that? Can anyone try for that? Very good, Ben. By using ps command. By using ps command, we can search for the processes. Very good, man. Very good. So now, how you will search that, guys? See here, ps. Here I am going to use -ef. One option I am going to use it here, that is called -ef, guys. I will explain what is this command. I will explain in future classes, guys. Just to show grep command, I am using this now. Later I will explain what is this processes command and all those things. Enter. Oh, see, guys, these many processes are running in my Linux machine, guys. These many processes are running in the Linux machine. Okay, here in the Amazon, in the AWS, we have this Linux machine, right? We have this Linux machine in the AWS. So some of the processes are running which are related to AWS also. Here in these processes, some of the processes are running which are related to AWS also, guys. How you will filter that? And could you please filter, right, which are related to AWS processes? How you can do that, man? Ben, any idea? See, guys, right, we will use like this. ps-ef we are using. What this command is doing? This command is giving the, right, all processes, guys. Right, when we use ps-ef, it will give the all the processes which are running in this Linux machine. From those processes, I want to filter only which are related to Amazon. I don't want to display all. Just I want to display Amazon related processes only. Then what we can do here, right? We can apply. See, guys, observe carefully. Here, pipe symbol we are using, and here we are going to use grep command. In those many processes, I want to search for only Amazon related processes. For that, here I am using grep command Amazon. See, guys, right, what is this pipe command, right? How it will search all those things we'll discuss. Nothing is there, guys, right? Pipe command, right? The advantage of pipe command is what it will do. Here, pipe command, guys, observe carefully. This ps-ef is giving some output, right? ps-ef is giving giving the output, guys. Pipe command will give that output to the next command. Here we have two commands. So this is one command and this is one command. And by using pipe command, what we are doing, whatever the output first command will give, that output we are giving to the second command. Second command, what it will do, in that output where Amazon is available, it will search for that. Is it correct, Ben? Respond, guys. Here what we are doing, right? First command will give some output. What is that output? The list of processes it is giving. Right? Now, by using pipe symbol, what we are doing, that output we are giving to grep command. What grep will do, in that list of processes where Amazon is available, it will search for that. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Right. So now let me press enter. See, earlier we got list of processes. From there, we filtered just Amazon related processes. We have only 2 Amazon related processes in that list of processes, guys. Understood? So like this, we will use grep command, right, to search for particular thing in the Linux machine, guys. Okay, perfect. We will discuss more. What is this EF, right? What is this PS, right? What is this pipe symbol? All these things we will discuss slowly, guys. Slowly we will discuss, guys. Okay, just the purpose of grep, right? So because of purpose of grep only, I executed this command, guys. Okay, leave it. Is this clear? The purpose of grep command is clear? Please respond, guys. Grep is very important command. In interview also they will ask this command, guys. And how you will search for the word in the Linux? They will ask in the interviews. Then immediately you guys need to tell by using grep command we will search for the word in the Linux machine. Okay, very good. Next guys, here we have text editors guys. Here we have some text editors. What text editors are available? Yes, we are getting questions in text editors also. Recently, I only faced some questions in the text editors. So we'll discuss in detail what text editors are there, what type of questions they are asking in the interview also. We will discuss guys. Okay, fine. So if you go to the Windows operating system, there we have one default text editor, man. In Windows, we have one default text editor. What is that? Notepad. Notepad is the default text editor in the Windows operating system. Notepad is the default text editor in the Windows operating system. Is there any default text editor in the Linux operating system also? Is there any default text editor in the Linux operating system also? Let's respond.
That's VI, right?
VI, very good. We have VI guys. VI is the default text editor in the Linux operating system. VI is the default text editor in the Linux operating system guys. VI stands for what? Visual interface. VI stands for visual interface. That is the default text editor in the Linux operating system guys. Okay, let me write those things guys. Let me write those points. Here we are going to understand text editors. Text editors guys. Now here in Windows operating system, right, the default text editor is what we have guys? Notepad. Notepad is the default text editor in the Windows operating system. Same in Linux also we have one. And in Linux, that the default text editor is what we have guys. In Linux, the default text editor is VI. VI is the default text editor. VI text editor is available guys. VI text editor is available. In Linux, the default text editor is VI text editor. VI stands for what? VI stands for visual interface. Visual interface. VI stands for visual interface guys. Okay, fine. So here, if you want to create a file by using VI, how you can do that guys? How we can do guys? Guys, observe carefully. Earlier, we have created the files by using touch command. We have created the files by using cat command also. Then why we need to go for this VI? Already we have two options, right? Then why we need this VI guys? Observe carefully. Now here, observe carefully guys. Here we have created the files guys. Here we have created files earlier by using touch command. What is the purpose of touch command? By using touch command, we can create only empty files. By using touch command, we can create only empty files guys. Very good. What is the use of cat command? Right, by using cat command, we can print the data which is available inside the file, and we can write the data also inside the file. We can print the data and we can write the data also inside the file by using cat command. So now tell me, here we have the ls-l. See, these list of files are available. Now cat f4.txt. If I run this command, what it will do? In the f4.txt, whatever the data is available, it will print that data. Okay, this is the data is available. Guys, tell me, now by using cat command, can you modify this data? And here on the terminal only it is printing. Can you open the file in editable mode by using cat command? Guys, respond. Is it possible to open the file in editable mode by using cat command? No, we can't. We can't able to open the file in editable mode by using cat command. Why, guys? Why? Why, guys? Why we can't able to do that, guys? And we don't have that facility in the cat command. Then what we need to do? In that case, you need to open the file in VI mode. By using VI, we can open the file in editable mode, guys. See how you will do that. VI, here I am going to use VI f4.txt. VI f4.txt. Enter. Okay, guys. Here file is open in the editable mode, but by default VI will be open in the command mode, guys. It will open in the command mode, guys. Right? You need to switch to editable mode. You need to switch to editable mode, guys. See here you can't able to edit any data. Here you can't able to write the data, guys. Why? Because this is opened in the command mode. If you want to go to editable mode, then we need to press button I. In the keyboard we have I button, right? Just to press that button I. Now it changed to insert mode. Whenever it came to insert mode, now you can add the data. Now you can modify the data. See here we have AWS. Now here I am going to give it as AWS cloud. AWS cloud I am giving. Earlier by using cat command we can't able to do that. By using cat command we can't able to do that, guys. And for that we are going to use VI option. VI editor we are using. Now you can save the data. WQ. You can save the data now, guys. WQ. See, guys. Now here you can search cat f4.txt. See, guys. Did you got AWS cloud or not? AWS cloud came or not, guys? Observe carefully. AWS cloud. Earlier we don't have this, guys. In cat command we don't have this facility. You can't able to edit the file, guys. Okay, by using cat command you can create a file, but you can't able to edit that file. You can't able to modify the existing data by using cat command. You can write the data, you can append the data, but whatever the existing data is there, that data you can't able to modify by using cat. If you want, you can override the data. If you want, you can append the data. But I have some existing data. That existing data we can't able to modify by using cat command or touch command. Okay. So now by using VI, I want to create the new file. By using VI, I want to create the new file. How you will create VI? Now here file name I am taking as demo.txt. VI file name demo.txt I am taking. By default, it will open in which mode? Command mode it will open. See, guys, file got opened. This is command mode. Here you can't able to write the data. You need to switch to insert mode. You need to switch to insert mode. Then only you can write the data. How you will switch to insert mode? Just press button I, guys. Press button I. So now we switch to the insert mode. Here you can write the data whatever you want. Hello friends. Hello friends. Right. So welcome to. Hello friends. Right. Welcome to. Right. Welcome to. Right. Srini IT. Welcome to Srini IT, guys. Okay. Welcome to Srini IT. Now here we are going to start. Okay, here I am going to write. So we are going to start. We are going to start a new batch, new DevOps with AWS cloud batch. We are going to start new DevOps with AWS cloud batch from on 26th at February, guys, on 26th from February. At what is the time? At 7 p.m. IST, guys. So this is what I have written, guys. This is what I have written inside the file. Okay, this is what I have written inside the file, guys. Now I want to save the data, guys. I want to save the data and come out from the file. Then what we need to do? Currently where we are in? Currently we are in inside the file. In the file I have written some data. So now I want to save this data in the demo.txt file and I want to come out. For that what we need to do? Right, guys, observe carefully. First, press escape button in your keyboard. First, press escape button in your keyboard. Then, right, press this colon. Press this colon, guys. And here, give WQ. W stands for write the data. Q stands for quit from the file. W stands for save the data. To save the data inside the file, we will use W. To quit from the file, we will use Q, guys. W stands for save the data. Q stands for quit from the file, guys. WQ we need to use. Okay, escape, colon, WQ, enter. Okay, see guys, you came out from the file. Now you can check whether the data is saved inside the file or not. You can check by using cat command, guys. Cat demo.txt. I want to print what data is available in the demo.txt. See guys, this is the data which we have given inside that file. Hello friends, welcome to Srini IT. Right, we are going to start a new DevOps with AWS Cloud batch on 26th February at 7 p.m. IST. See guys, whatever the data we have written inside the file, so that we are getting it here. Same data we are getting it here, guys. Okay, so like this we can create a file, we can write the data, we can save the data, right, by using vi command. Vi stands for what? Visual interface, guys. Right, so till now how many ways we discussed to create the file? Right, till now how many ways we discussed to create normal text file, guys? We discussed touch command, we discussed cat command, we discussed vi command. Right, so three ways we discussed, guys. Cat command we discussed, touch command we discussed, and vi command we discussed, guys. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear, guys, how to work with vi command? I don't know, guys, why people are keep on dropping, joining, guys. Huh? Guys, please don't do that, guys. Right, guys. So I hope touch command is clear, guys. Touch command is clear. By using touch command, what we did, we have created the file, guys. We have created the file. Okay. We have one more important command is there, guys. Right. Recently, I faced the questions in this command, guys. What is that, guys? We have sed. Sed is there. Sed command also is there. That is also one type of editor only. Right, VI is what, guys? Text editor. Sed also one type of editor only. Sed stands for what? Stream editor. Sed stands for stream editor, guys. Right, we have wonderful advantages with this sed, guys. What advantages we have, guys? Recently, one question they asked me in this sed command, guys. What they haven't tell anything about sed in the interview. They haven't said in sed, guys. They haven't used the word sed, guys. Simply they asked, man. I have one Linux, I have one file. So in that file, I have 100 lines are available. Right. So from that 100 lines, I want to print just the 10th line on the terminal. I don't want all. I don't want all 100 lines. I want to print 10th line, only 10th line on the terminal. How you can print that? By using sed command, we can print that. By using sed command, we can print that line, guys. We'll see how to do that. We'll see, guys. Guys, here we have multiple options, right? Multiple advantages we have with the sed command. What are there? Without opening the file, we can change the content, guys. Without opening the file, we can modify the content by using sed command. Next, guys, that is one advantage we have, guys. And we can delete the lines also, guys. We can delete the lines also by using sed command. We can delete the lines. I don't want to open the file. I can able to delete the lines also by using sed command. Sed command, guys. Okay. So we'll see. what we have, we'll see guys. Okay, how to do that, we'll see guys. Observe carefully guys. Now in the f4.txt file, you guys know, in the f4.txt file we have AWS cloud. If you observe it here, cat command at f4.txt, f4.txt, enter. See guys, here what we have, AWS cloud is available. AWS cloud is available at here. Okay, now I'm not going to open this file in the VI mode. I'm not going to open this file in VI text, VI editor guys. Then what I will do, by using sed command, right, by using sed command, right, I will replace this word guys. Right, I want to change from AWS cloud to only AWS. I want to change from AWS cloud to only AWS. How you will do that? By using sed command. How you will do that? By using sed command guys. See guys, observe carefully what we will do. Observe carefully guys. Here, observe carefully guys. Here what we are going to do guys. Sed command I'm using guys. That here, this is the syntax guys. This is the expression which we need to give. Let's see guys. Yes, we need to use. After that, here, which word you want to change? I want to change AWS cloud. Right, this is the existing word. And with which word you want to replace? With which word you want to replace? I want to replace with AWS. I want to replace with AWS guys. Right? So next here, in which file? In which file? f4.txt file. f4.txt file guys. Observe carefully. By using set command, what we are doing? See guys, in the f4.txt file, right, we have a word AWS cloud. So that word I want to replace with AWS. I want to replace with AWS. This is the syntax which we need to use guys. It should start with yes guys, slash, right here existing word, slash, right, replacing word guys, new word, slash, like this we need to give. Enter. See guys, here it is replaced. Here it is replaced. Earlier you have AWS cloud, but now we have only AWS. Only AWS. Now tell me, is it modified or not? Is it modified or not? In the file,
modified.
Is it in the file? Is it saved or not? Changed or not? In the file,
It's changed.
changed, huh?
Change.
Michelle, in the file it is changed. No man,
Yes.
in the file it is not changed. Right? What it is telling, just it is changed and showing to you. It is not saved inside the file. Just it is modified and displayed on the terminal. It is not saved inside the file. See, here I will open this file in the VI mode. VI f4.txt. f4.txt. Where it is changed, man? Still we have AWS cloud only. Still we have AWS cloud only. It is not changed.
Because it didn't,
Right.
it didn't
Here,
save it.
yeah. Here what it did guys, here it is right, it just it modified and displayed you guys. Here when we are using this, it will modify and it will show you, hey man, this is what you are going to get. This is what you are going to get. So like this it is showing guys, it is not saving inside the file. But if I want to save inside the file also, then what I want to do? What I want to do? Simple. Here we need to use -i. In the grep command, -i stands for what? Ignore case. But in the sed case, -i stands for insert. Insert. Insert is nothing but what? Change inside the file. Right? If you use -i, it will insert the changes inside the file, man. Right? In sed case, -i stands for insert. Guys, if you use -i, it won't display on the terminal. Not required to display on the terminal. Directly go and change inside the file. Directly go and change inside the file. Not required to display on the terminal. That is what we are telling by using -i. If you remove -i, it won't change in the inside file. Just it will modify and it will print on the terminal. That's it. It won't modify directly in the file, guys. But I want to make the change in the file directly. I don't want display on the terminal. Then you need to use -i. -i stands for what? Insert. Insert, guys. Enter. See, here it is not showing. Here it is not showing. Now use VI once. VI. See, guys, here it is modified. Earlier, it is not modified. AWS cloud only is there. Now it got modified. Now it got modified, guys. Okay. So like this, without opening the file only, we can replace the data by using SCD command. I don't want to open the file. Generally, you can open the file in the VI mode and you can go to here and here, go to insert mode and here you can modify whatever you want. You can edit here. But if you want to make the changes without opening the file, then we need to go for sed command. Okay. And insert, I stands for what? Insert. If you want insert the changes inside the file, then we need to use -i. -i we need to use to insert the changes inside the file, guys. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Very clear.
Next, guys. Right. So by using sed command, we can delete the lines also, guys. I don't want to open the file. I don't want to open the file. Without opening the file, I want to delete the lines. That same sed command we can use to delete the lines also. How you can use that, we'll see, guys. How you can use sed command to delete the lines, we will see, guys. Here, see here, if you go to this file, we have cat command, and you can use cat command, guys. Right, cat f4.txt. Here we have approximately 20 lines are there. 20 lines are there. See, what is the fifth line here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line is DynamoDB. I am not going to open the file. If you want to delete this one, what you need to do? You need to go to the VI mode. Right? You need to switch to the insert and you need to remove that line. That you can do. Now, without opening the file by using VI, I will delete this fifth line. Same by using sed command, guys. Same by using sed command. Without opening the file only, we can delete particular line also. How you will do that? See, guys. Here, sed command I am using. Right. I want to change from the file. I want to delete, guys. For that, -i insert changes. And here, which line you want to delete, man? Fifth line, 5D. D stands for delete. Fifth line, 5D. On which file? f4.txt. f4.txt, guys. txt. What is the fifth line? DynamoDB. DynamoDB should be deleted, guys. If you execute this command, DynamoDB should be deleted. Sed -i. Fifth line I want to delete. That's why here I am taking 5D. In which file? f4.txt. Enter. Now check it once. Fifth line is deleted or not? DynamoDB should be deleted. Is it there? DynamoDB? DynamoDB is there? No, it is deleted. It is deleted. Without opening the file only, we have deleted the line. We have deleted the line. Oh, I don't know how many lines are there in my file. I don't know how many lines are there in my file. But I want to delete last line. I want to delete last line. I don't know the exact number of the last line. Then what we can do? What we can do? Simply, see guys, simply you can do like this. In the place of 5, just take this symbol, guys. Just take this symbol. What it will do? It will delete the last line. Right? In file, whatever the last line is there, it will delete that last line. What is the last line? Nexus. Nexus is the last line. It is going to delete that nexus, guys. Check it once. Nexus is there deleted? See guys, it got deleted. We don't have the nexus. Is it possible to delete multiple lines? Is it possible to delete multiple lines by using sed command? Yes, we can do, guys. Okay, so now here the second line is EC2. Second line is EC2. Third line is S3. Fourth line is RDS. Fifth line is CloudWatch. Now I want to delete from second line to fifth line. All these lines I want to delete. From second line to fifth line I want to delete, guys. How you can do that? See guys, EC2, S3, RDS, CloudWatch. Everything I want to delete, guys. Observe carefully. Here, second line is EC2, third line S3, fourth line RDS, fifth line CloudWatch. I want to delete all these lines, guys. I want to delete all these lines. How you can do? Same sed command I will use. Same sed command I will use to delete multiple lines, guys. From this line to this line. Right, I am going to delete, guys. How you will do that? See guys, same sed command I am going to use. See guys, here, right, I am going to use like this, guys. Right, second line I want to delete, comma, second line to fifth line. Second line to fifth line I want to delete. Then you need to take like this. From second line to fifth line, it will delete all. It will delete all, guys. Enter. Enter. Now check it once again. Cat command. See guys, after AWS, we don't have EC2. We don't have S3. We don't have CloudWatch. Everything got deleted. If you go to here, you can see here, second line is what? EC2. Now here, what is the second line? SQS. Means EC2 to S3, RDS, CloudWatch, all these lines are deleted. These 4 lines are deleted. After AWS, you are getting SQS directly. See, AWS and SQS only we have. Between whatever the lines are there, all the lines are deleted. Okay, friend. From second line to fifth line, you have deleted. Perfect. But now my requirement is see guys, observe carefully. Second line I want to delete. See guys, now here cat command. Second line is SQS. Second line I want to delete. Next, I want to delete the fifth line. Fifth line means lambdas. Second line, fifth line, and I want to delete the seventh line. Seventh line, guys. I don't want delete from to. Sequence lines, guys. I want to delete some random lines. Some random lines, like random means second line, fifth line, seventh line. So like that I want to delete. Is it possible? Yes, we can do. How you can do, guys? See guys, send command. The send command. What lines you want to delete? Tell me, man. I want to delete the second line. Very good. Semicolon. After that, we need to take semicolon. Next, what line you want to delete? Fifth line. Okay, semicolon. Next, what you want to do? Delete seventh line. Like this we need to take. Like this we need to take. On which file? f4.txt. f4.txt, guys. Now here, I am going to delete SQS. And what is the fifth line? Second, third, fourth, fifth. Lambdas I am going to delete. And code commit I am going to delete. At SQS, lambdas, code commit. These 3 lines are going to delete, guys. Observe carefully. Enter. Enter, guys. Okay. Now you can see. Where is SQS? Gone. Where is lambdas? It gone. Where is code commit? All these 3 lines are deleted. All these 3 lines are deleted. Like this, by using send command, we can delete the lines also without opening the file. By using send command, we can replace the data also without opening the file, guys. So this is the advantage of the send command. Is it clear? Is this clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, yes.
Guys, other people also need to respond. Everybody respond, please. Very good. Very good, guys. Now, let me add these points in our notes, guys. Let me add these points in our notes. And now here, text editors is there. Now, in Linux, the default text editor is VI, guys. Now here, how you will create the file in VI? Like this, guys. $vi, demo.txt. Like this. By default, it will open in command mode, guys. Command mode. By default, it will open in command mode. We need to go to insert mode. How you will go to the insert mode? Press I. Press I, guys. I button we need to press. Press I to go to insert mode. Right, to go to insert mode, we need to press I, guys. After that, what we need to do? Enter some data. Enter some data which you want. Okay. After that, what we need to do? See, guys, escape button we need to press. Escape button we need to press. Then here, this colon we need to press. And just you need to give WQ. And here, you need to press enter. Here, you need to press enter, guys. Here, why we need to do this one, guys? To save the data and quit from the file. And this is for to save the data, to save and quit from the file. Quit from the file, guys. To save the data and quit from the file, we are going to use this. See, guys, vi demo.txt. By default, it will open in command mode. In the command mode, you can't able to make any changes. You can't able to insert anything. You need to go to insert mode. How you will go to the insert mode? Press I. With this, we can go to the insert mode. So here we need to enter some data. then we can save and come out that file by using escape :wq enter, guys. Okay, so this is the vi command, guys. Vi command. Okay, and one more thing, guys. One more thing I want to show. Observe carefully. Here we have see, guys, here I'm going to open vi. This file I'm going to open demo.txt. I'm opening demo.txt opening, right? Insert mode. Right here by mistake some data, guys, some garbage data by mistake typed, guys. Oh my god. Now, right, without saving these changes, I want to quit from the file. Some garbage data entered, guys. Without saving this file, I want to quit from the file. Then what you need to do? Escape : right here, just give q, right, and not, guys. Means what? Don't save. We are not using w. If you use w, then it will save the data. So here I'm not using w. Just I want to quit without saving the data. Then give like this, case q and not symbol, enter. So now here you can open the file vi demo.txt. See, that changes that garbage data is not saved in the file. Okay, so you can do like this also, guys. If you don't want to save the changes, just q and that not symbol, enough, guys. Now here, go to here. Let me write that one also. To quit without saving the data. If you want to quit, here escape at this : write q, the symbol, and enter. That's it. You can come out from the file without saving any data. Very good. So next one is sed command, guys. Sed command. What is this sed command? That sed stands for stream editor. Sed stands for stream editor, guys. Sed stands for stream editor. Stream editor, guys. Okay. In Linux, and by using sed command in Linux, by using sed command, we can replace the text. We can replace the text without opening the file, guys. Without opening the file, we can replace the text by using sed command, guys. Okay, see here in our file we have AWS, right? So to replace AWS what? To replace AWS what? With AWS cloud and print output in the terminal. I don't want to insert the changes in the file. Just I want to print output in the terminal, guys. And print output in the terminal. Guys. What we need to do? It here, guys. See here, observe carefully. Here sed command and not -i, guys. We don't want insert, right? Here sed command. See, guys, here we need to use like this. And here is AWS. We need to replace with AWS cloud. Right? This is what we need to replace. In which file? f4.txt file. This is the file name, guys. Okay. Now I want insert changes in the file, guys. I don't want print on the terminal. Just I want to insert the changes in the file. Then what we need to do? Insert changes inside the file. Inside the file, guys. Insert changes inside the file. So then here what we need to do here? Here we need to do, let's see, guys, $. Right here sed command. Here -i stands for what? Insert changes. -i, and here see, guys, AWS. I want to replace with AWS cloud. AWS cloud I want to replace, guys. Okay, in f4.txt file. f4.txt file. Okay, here note, guys. Note I am taking. Here -i stands for what? -i stands for here we need to write -i stands for insert, guys. Okay, Next guys, right, by using sed command we can delete the lines also. By using sed command we can delete the lines. We can delete the lines also, right? How you can delete the lines? By using sed command. See guys, here sed command -I. See guys, I want to delete the fifth line. Suppose I want to delete the fifth line, guys. I want to delete line number 5, fifth line, f1.txt, f1.txt guys. Okay, right now to delete last line guys, to delete last line of the file, to delete last line of the file, here what we need to do? $sed command -I, here this one we need to use. Okay, now here file name f4.txt, right? So next guys, from line to 2 line I want to delete. From line to 2 line case, to delete, right, from line to, right, 2 line guys, from line to 2 line, from line to 2 line guys, right? I mean from second line to, from second line to fifth line, from second line to fifth line I want to delete. For this here what do you need to do? See guys, here sed command we need to use, right? In the sed command here -I, here we need to take like this, second comma fifth d, 5d guys, 5d, right, in f4.txt file, in f4.txt file. Okay, next guys, and I want to delete second line, fifth line, seventh line, like that. To delete, right, second line, right, fifth line, and seventh line, guys. Right, to delete second line, fifth line, and seventh line. So for this here what we need to do guys? Here for this, right, sed command, right, -I, right, -I, here we are going to delete second line, right, semicolon, right, fifth line, semicolon, and seventh line guys, right? In which file? Semicolon. Okay, in f4.txt file. Okay, so like this you can delete lines guys. Okay, by using sed command what we are doing, without opening the file only we can replace the data, and right, without opening the file only we can delete the lines also by using sed command. Is it clear guys? Everything is clear till now?
Yes.
Anyone have any questions in today's session? What we discussed in today's session? Sed command we discussed, vi we discussed, and grep command we discussed guys. All these three are clear?
Yes.
Very good. I think today some new people are joined, right? So they are clear. So they have any question? I think some new people are joined. Francis. Please respond. Is it clear? I'm not getting voice. If you are not able to speak, at least type in the chat box. Is it clear everything? Gopi. Okay. Very good. Very good guys. So for today I'm stopping guys. Next class is very important class. In next class we are going to understand file permissions. File permissions we are going to understand in next session guys. D stands for delete madam. D stands for delete fifth line. 5 means line number, D means delete. Okay, so in next session we are going to understand file permissions. what user have, what group have, what others have, right? So how to change the permissions, how to remove the permissions, how to add new permissions, how to give the permissions using numeric numbers, all those things we will understand in next session, guys. Right? File permissions is very, very important, guys. Modifying the file permissions, right? Very, very important, guys. Okay, after that file permissions we will understand how to create the user accounts in the Linux machine. By default here, see, and whenever you logged in into the Linux machine, here ec2-user is the default user. Same, you can create other users and you can, right, log in with that user also. You can work with that user also, guys. How to create user accounts, how to create the groups, how to add the users into the particular group. And see here, when you run ls-l, you are getting username, owner of the file is ec2-user, and that file is created under the group, that user is belongs to particular group, you are getting, right? So that owner we can modify, that group we can modify, everything we can. Okay, so we will try to understand all these things in next session. Next session is very, very important. File permissions we are going to discuss, and modify, creating the user accounts, modifying the, right, so users, right, owners and groups, everything we will understand in next session, guys. Okay, fine, guys. So I'm stopping for today. Tomorrow Sunday, tomorrow no session. Next session we have on Monday, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. I will share these notes, please practice. Okay, again we will connect on Monday. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Recording stopped.